This is the most important theorem for 10th class students. Generally, we calling basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem or Thales theorem. Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem or BPT theorem. Okay, it is important theorem for the public examination. Theorem states if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the statement. First, we draw a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. Triangle A, B, C. This is a triangle A, B, C. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, suppose this is a one side of a triangle, BC is one side of a triangle. So we have to draw a parallel line to BC. So draw a parallel line. Suppose this is parallel line. This is parallel line. So this intersecting points D, E. Intersecting points are D. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so this D is parallel line to BC. Okay. The intersecting points are the other two sides in the distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Other two sides are AB and AC. Dividing ratio is same. Dividing ratio means here AD is upon BD is equal to AE is upon AC or CE. Okay. This is the required to prove. Now given data is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, which intersects sides AB and AC, yet D and E respectively. Okay. AB AB is cut at D, AC is cut at E. So given in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, which intersects by sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. He given. Required to prove. Required to prove. Required to prove. Required to prove. Required to prove is AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. This is required to prove. Construction. 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 Join B comma E and D comma C. Join B comma E. Join D comma C. Okay. And draw a perpendicular line on AC. DM is perpendicular line on AC and also another perpendicular line on AD is N. So DM is perpendicular on AC and EN is perpendicular on AB. This is the construction. Proof. 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 This theorem, very easy theorem. Very easy theorem. I explaining in easy way. First of all, we know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. We know this. And here in this triangle, look carefully. ADE is a triangle. Triangle ADE is a triangle. In ADE, this is ADE. This is ADE. Perpendicular lines are 2. This is M, this is N. Perpendicular lines. So we find area of triangle ADE 2 times using this base and this height 1 time, using this base and this height 1 time. Okay, it is clear. Next, DBC. Okay, in this triangle, base is BD, base is BD, base is BD, base is No, 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 no. This is this BD. D, B, base is BD. Base is BD. Base is BD. This perpendicular line is just we have to extend this perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means 90 degrees. Perpendicular lines means 90 degrees. Perpendicular line. So this is the height. So En is the height, base is BD. This is the clear. Next, another triangle. C E D. Base is CE. Here we also extend this. Here perpendicular height is DM. So find this area of these three triangles. Enough. We have to prove AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. Okay. Now area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is left side, base is AD, height is perpendicular height EN. So this is equation number 1. Now area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base is BD. Its perpendicular height is EN. So this is equation number 2. Do 1 by 2. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into EN divided by half into BD into EN. EN cancel, half cancel. We get area of triangle ADE is equal to AD. Area of triangle BDE is equal to BD. This is equation number 3. Just enough. Now area of triangle ADE. Now in this triangle ADE, choose base is AE, perpendicular height DM. dm. So half into base is AE into perpendicular height. Perpendicular height is dm. Perpendicular height is dm. So this is the equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. Now area of triangle CDE, triangle CDE is equal to half into base is EC, CE into this perpendicular height is dm. This perpendicular height is dm. This is the equation number 5. This is the equation number 5. Do 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 is area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE is equal to half into AE into DM divided by half into CE into DM. DM cancel, half cancel. We get area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE is equal to AE by CE. AE by CE. This is the equation number 6. This is the equation number 6. Okay, clear. Now look carefully in this diagram. Triangle BDE and triangle CDE having same base DE, having same base DE, and also these two triangles are laying in between the parallel lines BC and DE. Okay, in 9th class we learnt any two triangles are having same base in between two parallel lines, their areas are equal. So triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on same base. Same base is DE and same parallel lines. Same parallel lines are BC and DE. BC and DE. So area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. CDE. Just reciprocal. Do reciprocal. 1 by area of triangle BDE is equal to 1 by area of triangle CDE. Okay. Do multiply on both sides by multiply by area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. So 1 by area into 1 by area of triangle BDE into area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 by area of triangle CDE into area of triangle ADE, multiplying on both sides by area of triangle ADE. Okay, now write here area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE. Okay, look, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, same. Okay, next area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE, same. Okay, left hand sides are equal, then automatically right hand sides are also equal, hence we write AD by from equation number 3 and equation number 6. From equation number 3 and 6 we have to write AD by BD, AD by BD is equal to AE by CE, AE by C, AD by BD, okay, AE by C. Okay, required to prove this. So hence proved. Okay, simple basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem, BPT theorem. Statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. This is the statement. First you draw a triangle ABC. Okay, he said draw a parallel line, so draw a parallel line DE, parallel to BC. So in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, which intersect the other two sides. Other two sides means AB and AC, intersecting at D and E. Intersects sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. This is the given data. Required to prove the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So AD by BD is equal to AE by AC. This is the required to prove. So RTP is equal to AD by BD is equal to AE by C. Construction. Join BE, B and E, D and C. Draw a perpendicular on AB and also draw a perpendicular on AC. So DM is perpendicular on AC, EN is perpendicular on AB. This is the construction. Just we do area of triangle, area of triangles. First of all, area of triangle ADE, next area of triangle BDE, next area of triangle ADE, next area of triangle CDE. Yes, these three triangles. So, area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height. Half base AD, height, perpendicular height En. Okay, AD into En. This is the equation number 1. Next, this triangle BDE. Base is BD, perpendicular height is same, En. So En. This is equation number 2. Do 1 by 2. We get area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD. This is equation number 3. Now, do area of triangle ADE. Base is AE, perpendicular height DM. So, half into AE into DM. Okay. Now, find area of triangle CDE. CDE is equal to half into CE is the base, perpendicular height same, DM. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 4. Do 4 by 5. We get AE by CE. This is equation number 6. Okay, clear? We learnt in 9th class BC and DE are parallel lines. BC and DE are parallel lines. Base is DE. Base is DE. BDE and CDE are laying on the same base. Laying on the same base. So, these are parallel lines BC and DE. We know that any two triangles having same base in between two parallel lines, their areas are same. Their areas are equal. So, triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE and same parallel lines BC and DE. So, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Okay. Now, just you do reciprocation. Reciprocal. 1 by area of triangle BDE, 1 by area of triangle CDE. Both sides multiplied by area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE. So, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. From equation number 3 and 6, equation number 3, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE. So, this is equal to AD by BD. So, we write AD by, instead of this, we write AD by BD. Next, equation number 6. Triangle, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. Okay. These two are equal. So, this is equal to AE by CE. So, write instead of this AE by CE, AE by CE. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. This is the most important theorem for the public examination. Okay.